you're experiencing connection errors in Call of Duty, specifically Error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Turn off your gaming console or PC completely and unplug it for a few minutes. This can help reset the network connection and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test on your internet connection to ensure you have a stable and fast connection. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your modem or router. Step 4. Adjust network setting. Access your network settings and ensure that your NAT type is set to open. You may need to enable UPnP Universal Plug and Play or port forwarding for Call of Duty to improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Call of Duty. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the connection error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error 2026 and get back to playing Call of Duty. If issues continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.